Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. Today I'm sharing with you my mom's special homemade cured duck recipe. This is the perfect time in Canada to make this cured duck. Because it's still cold in Canada, we don't have any insects or critters out. As you can see, we have the perfect condition where it's sunny, cold, and breezy to dry the duck perfectly. When we make the cured duck, we also make cured pork belly. Please check out the link below for the cured pork belly recipe. Mom's cured duck recipe is much tastier than store-bought cured duck. When the cured duck is ready, we cut it and store it in the freezer to enjoy for the rest of the year. In Chinese, we call cured duck lap ap and cured pork belly lap yok, and there's many different ways to use it in Chinese cooking. When the weather starts to turn cold, we normally cure 2 ducks each year. Tips that will help you with the cured duck process. Number 1, line the floor with newsprint. Number 2, choose a super sunny spot. Number 3, choose a spot with a good breeze. So this is day 3 of our cured duck. And they're looking gorgeous. We just finished putting them in the oven to dry them up a little bit. So we also dry the neck and the wings and the head because we use these to make soup, whereas we use the body and the meat, and we usually steam that in rice. We cut it up to cook. Such beautiful cured duck meat. Now these are not ready. We will have to leave them out for a little bit before we hang them indoors. There is no odor and there is no mess. If you do not have ideal conditions to dry your duck outdoors, you can dry the duck in your oven. However, you will need to choose a spot with good air circulation inside to further cure the duck. As you can see, the meat is hard when it's ready. Cut the duck into quarters for freezer storage. This is how the cured meat looks like. This is how your cured duck should look like when it's ready for storage. The curing process typically takes about a week, but that depends on the conditions you have. We use our homemade cured duck and cured pork belly to make this traditional one-pot rice recipe. Remember to come back and see how we prepare this tasty dish. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.